got late today because मैं आज 14 देवता मंदिर में था। हमारे एरिया जो मंदिर है, ट्रेडिशनल एरियाज मंदिर में इंक्रोचमेंट हो रहा है और कुछ चीज जहां में डेवलपमेंट हो, सजेशंस हो। आई हैव सीन दिस फ्रॉम एवरी मेंबर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन। आपका सजेशंस मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम कंस्ट्रक्टिव रहा है एंड आई अप्रिशिएट दैट। Whether it was inclusion of village council outside ADC by Bidyut Debarma, whenever Mr. Chakma Babu has spoken, he's always spoken very nicely. Everyone. Our biggest challenge in budget हमेशा रहता है कि our biggest challenge is that our budget is passed but never approved by the respective state governments. State government itself has its own problem. और हमारा जो टिप्रासा अकॉर्ड है ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन साहब, उसमें मैंने इसको एड्रेस करने की कोशिश की। फॉर द लास्ट 1 year 6 राउंड्स ऑफ मीटिंग्स हो चुका है और फाइनेंशियल फंडिंग के लिए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से हमने और उनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव से हमने कई बार बात की। फंडिंग रिमेन्स अ वेरी बिग कंसर्न। जस्ट नाउ ऑनरेबल AM कमल कोलोई सेड दैट एजेंसी। आई थिंक यहां में वी हैव द लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन, द मेंबर्स फ्रॉम द ऑपोजिशन एंड फ्रॉम द पार्टी विच इज रूलिंग राइट नाउ। वी कैन नेवर बिकम एन एजेंसी because agency people are hired. We are voted to office. We have not been hired. We have been elected. And when we become elected, we are answerable to the people who have voted for us. So while many people may say that TTADC is an agency, we are a government which has been elected by the people. Unfortunately, the attitude has been never to take the TTADC seriously. It is not from now. It was there during the government of the left, during continuous regime of the left, and today also. We have not been taken seriously. But I am hopeful that if we can, and now that these deliberations are in front of camera, I am hopeful that our people will understand that despite us being elected by them, their vote means nothing when it comes to TTADC. And the vote for assembly means more. The government of India has to create employment, and they cannot create employment without the support of the district councils. Whether it is in Meghalaya, whether it is in Mizoram, whether it is in Bodoland, Karbi Anglong, Dimasa Hasao, and most definitely in TTADC. If the government cannot give jobs, because government is already spending maximum of his money in salaries for the employees, then the government has to think about creating avenues, and tourism is definitely one more line. The skill center that we have signed an MOU with today is a positive direction. Recently, Honorable Chairman Sahab, I met the Chief Minister of Tripura and I told him that you all want to open a 5-star hotel in Tripura. Where will he give jobs from? If we have a hotel management institute, our boys and girls can get training there and then they will be employed. So when we say that we are opening hotels, restaurants, tourism activities, you need qualified, skilled manpower to employ them. Today, if Taj is opening a hotel, they need to set up a hotel management skill center. Otherwise, again, the employees will come from outside. Our hospitals, we have, as EM Kamal Kolai Health has said, हमारे हॉस्पिटल्स में स्टाफ के शॉर्टेज है, लेकिन हम लोग एम्प्लॉइज को सैलरी नहीं दे सकते, एडीसी नहीं, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. वी आर कंडक्टिंग अ सेमिनार एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट चाकमा बाबू, आप भी अटेंड कीजिए हमारे साथ. आज अगर हम लोग त्रिपुरा में नौकरी नहीं दे सकते हैं, जापान 35% of Japan's population is above 60 years old. It's an aging population. उनको हेल्थ केयर नर्सेस का दरकार है, मेल एंड फीमेल. टुडे अगर हमने ये MOU किया है एंड वी कैन गिव 50, 70, 100 nurses a chance to get jobs in countries like Japan. After accommodation, fooding, lodging, an average nurse will get 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs. Economy of a state is not necessarily developed in the state. Today, if you go to Punjab, maximum money of Punjab comes from people who are working outside in Canada, in England. They are working there, they are sending money back to Punjab. If you look at Kerala, maximum Malayalis are working in Dubai, Bahrain, Muscat, Oman, Qatar. They are earning lakhs and lakhs of money and sending money back to the country. Today also, if you notice, a lot of Tiprasas are working outside, doing very well for themselves and sending money back to their homes in villages. But if we have to make these Tiprasas and people of Tripura by and large capable of getting jobs, we have to give them proper schools, proper language communications, education, proper skill set. And for that, TTADC has been repeatedly going and giving projects to the government of Tripura to be sent to Delhi. एक त्रिपुरा श्रेष्ठ त्रिपुरा ADC को छोड़कर नहीं बन सकता. You cannot create a Tripura by ignoring the ADC areas. Sometimes some of the leaders have an attitude that ADC, asking only for ADC means we are being selfish. Some people say that newspapers say that we are being, I have read in newspapers that we are being communal, Sampradayak is the word. But let me tell you, when projects come, and 90% of the projects which have come in the last 30, 40 years, they have come to Agartala. Have we called the people of Agartala Sampradayak? Selfish? No. If today ADC is not only about tribals, we have a significant Bengali population, Muslim population, Manipuri population living in the ADC areas. So when we are speaking for ADC, we are also speaking for every citizen who are living in ADC areas. I am very happy that our opposition is also appreciating what I am saying. I hope you appreciate what I am saying, Honorable Chairman. I am speaking through you. ADC was not created for no reason at all. It was created to address the people who are staying in rural part of Tripura, their pain, their aspiration. I have Shailendra ji here from Kanchanpur. He's from an open sea. The money which comes to his constituency is nothing. Just next to Kanchanpur, you'll have Kailash Shahar. The money which will come there is far more outside non-ADC area than ADC area. Shailendra ji is suffering because of this difference in funding. If you just go here, outside Kumulum, and nobody is complaining, we are not saying why. You go to Jirania, National Highway, everything. Just half a kilometer is Kumulum, but all the money which is put in hospitals, transport bhavan, even if the airport comes, that side. So why your Eklavya school, which is supposed to come up for the benefit of Triprasad, tribal, indigenous students, quite a few of them are outside ADC. So these are questions. Today, you want to promote tourism? Absolutely, we should promote tourism. Agartala needs to be also developed. I'm all for it. But where are you going to get the people who are going to benefit from tourism? Kamal Palari, the Honorable EM, said that tourism is very important. You know why tourism is important? वो नौकरी दिलवाता है. आज कोई कलकत्ता में पैसा कमाता है, बॉम्बे में पैसा कमाता है, गुवाहाटी में पैसा कमाता है, बैंगलोर में पैसा कमाता है. 11 महीना, साल में 1 महीना छुट्टी के लिए वो सिक्किम जाता है, वो मेघालय जाता है. और जो पैसा 11 महीना में उन्होंने बॉम्बे, बैंगलोर, कलकत्ता, गुवाहाटी में कमाया, वो चेरापूंजी में खर्च करता है, गैंगटॉक में खर्चा करता है. और जो गैंगटॉक में काम करता है, जो चेरापूंजी में काम करता है, वो लोकल है, कोई बाहर का नहीं. हमारा परिस्थिति देखिए, ऑल ऑफ अस, अभी गर्मी आएगा, पूजा के टाइम आएगा. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट पूजा. 11 महीना हमने यहां में पैसा कमाया. ड्यूरिंग पूजास, ड्यूरिंग क्रिसमस, समर वेकेशन, सब लोग गो आउटसाइड. Money from Tripura will go outside. So we have to think about creating tourism. Dumbur, one of the finest places, but there are no connectivity. Matabari is a Shakti Peeth. You know, Chakma Babu में on a lighter note, Honorable Chairman साहब, जब कोई ट्वीट करता है पॉलिटिशियन लोग, जिसका भी जन्मदिन हो, आसाम का मुख्यमंत्री का हो, प्राइम मिनिस्टर का हो, कोई भी बड़ा सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर का हो, जन्मदिन का हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, मां त्रिपुरा सुंदरी आपको आशीर्वाद देगा. हमने मां त्रिपुरा सुंदरी का क्या किया? अयोध्या टूरिज्म साइट बन गया, कुंभ टूरिज्म साइट बन गया. हम लोग ने क्या किया है टू डेवलप रिलीजियस टूरिज्म? फॉरेस्ट एंड ट्रेडिशनल ड्वेलर्स, चकमा वो आपने आज दिल का बात. टुडे वी आर ऑल्सो फॉलोइंग ट्रेडिशनल प्रैक्टिसेस. आज समाजपति को इतना इज्जत मिल रहा है. दिस इज इनिशिएटिव टेकन टाइम टू टाइम. हम लोग मिलते हैं, आज भी चौदह देवता के वहां से ही हम लोग आ रहे हैं. आई हैव टेकन द इनिशिएटिव बिकॉज टू रिवाइव our history, to revive our culture, is not to revive the history of one family. I am not trying to revive the family of the Maharajas. I am trying to revive the history and identity of the state of Tripura and the Tiprasa people who live here. Now, if nephew Rio tries to revive the Naga history, he is called a proud Naga. If in Bengal, Mamata Banerjee tries to revive the Bangla history, Swami Vivekananda ho ya Rabindranath